Some of the things we learn, depending on which course you take, if you take the digital and analog or electronic systems engineering, you'll learn about circuitry, such as how you measure what's going through it, your voltage, amperage, resistance, and just general power or wattage. But so you use all of that, you'll learn how to make stuff. In robotics, you actually make robots. Currently, I am admitted to Penn State for one of their engineering programs, and I feel that this courses here have given me a leg up because I already know how to produce my own things. I can CAD, I can build it. Pretty much I've a great skill set going in. Like just through other stuff, I know my calculus. I know how to actually build it. I also know some of the general like things not to do, and sometimes if you can put it on paper doesn't mean you can actually make it, and I feel that's greatly prepared me. It's not really a class I'm encouraging a whole program, and it's a really fun experience. It's a great time, and you're going to learn useful information. Because even if you don't want engineering, you're going to learn some basics like how to actually use tools and stuff like that. You're also going to learn a good bit about the design process, so you're really going to be able to build your own stuff. My freshman year, I skipped exploring engineering and went straight into electronic systems engineering, which has a sister course, quote unquote, which is digital and analog, and they both deal with circuitry in a different set. So electrical systems, you'll focus really on the circuitry and everything like that. You'll learn what resistors do, how they work. You have to memorize the resistor color code. I learned just like and and or circuits and binary. Robotics, you'll learn just general robotics, how stuff works. And when we had to make our own robots, we had to just ballpark what a 90-degree turn was. There was no like set number, so you're also going to learn a lot of how to work for yourself. You're going to be given a task and not necessarily how to do it. You're going to be told, this is what you need to make, but you're not going to know how to make it, so you have to figure it out on your own, and I had a great time.